我们来看一下这一道题 Mathematics。首先，大家把视频暂停一下，用大概30秒到40秒的时间，把整段话呢先通读一遍。Alright， 我们来看第一部分 Competence in Mathematics 这个单词，数学 Mathematics was another trouble spot。这个 T 要发清楚。More than half more than half said their real task. Schools graduates 这个 T 呢，我们不能弱化，因为后面有 S。如果没有 S， 我们会读成 Schools graduate are deficient。有 S， School graduates are deficient in mathematics。这个 T 弱化 School graduates are deficient in mathematics。我们把第一部分读一下。Competence in mathematics was another trouble spot. More than half said their real task. Schools graduates are deficient in mathematics. 第二部分 More than 10% of 前后连在一起 More than 10% of respondents said colleges graduates 两个都是复数，同学们注意 are deficient 这个 T 弱化 are deficient in the subject 这个 T 要发清楚 while 70% said they are adequate 我们把最后一句读一下 while 70% said they are adequate percent said they are adequate 这个 T 发清楚所以呢这一部分比较难的是 T 和 D 结尾的单词要各位留意一下我们把第二部分读一遍More than 10% of respondents said colleges graduates are deficient in subjects, while 70% said they are adequate. Alright, 我们把第一部分和第二部分合在一起读一下。Competence in mathematics was another trouble spot. More than half said their real task. Schools graduates are deficient in mathematics. More than 10% of respondents said colleges graduates are deficient in the subject.While 10% said they are adequate. All right, thank you guys.